Welcome back to Bobcat Vlog. Today we are going to throw light on the healthy reasons to eat mangoes. So please watch till an end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. As you become more aware of the mango's many advantages, your affection for it will grow exponentially. It has various health advantages in addition to having a pleasant flavor. Here are the top 15 healthiest justifications for eating mangoes. Keeps cholesterol levels stable. Mangoes are an ideal fruit that aids in lowering high cholesterol levels since they include a high quantity of vitamin C, fiber, and pectin. It aids in skin cleaning. Mangoes also wash your skin from the inside out, which is another advantage. It minimizes pores and makes your skin sparkle. Consequently, consume mangoes for perfect skin. Aids in controlling diabetes. Consuming mango leaves helps control diabetes. Therefore, those who have diabetes should boil 5-6 mango leaves in a pot. Soak it all night, then in the morning, sip the filtered concoction. Mango also has a low glycemic index, so if you eat it in moderation, your blood sugar won't rise. Helps your body become more alkaline. Mangoes aid in preserving our body's alkali reserve because they are enriched with tartaric, malic, and traces of citric acid. Fruit that is aphrodisiac. Mangoes are frequently referred to as the love fruit. It contains aphrodisiac properties that also boost men's virility. So eat some mangoes to increase your passion and affection. For wholesome eyes. Mangoes are a great fruit to improve eyesight because they are also packed with vitamin A. Dry eyes and night blindness are also avoided. Improves digestion. Mango enzymes aid in the body's protein contents breakdown. Mangoes are high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps ward against many stomach-related illnesses. Prevent heat stroke. This fruit of the season guards against heat exhaustion as well. Eating it instantly cools you off and makes you feel refreshed. Stay cool throughout the hot summer by including this superfruit. Aid in boosting immune system. In addition, mangoes contain several carotenoids, including vitamin C and A. Your immune system benefits from all of these necessary nutrients, which help to maintain it robust and healthy. Cancer-fighting benefits. Antioxidants such quercetin, fisetin, isoquercitrin, astragalin, gallic acid, and methyl gallate are found in mangoes. All of these qualities guard our body against leukemia, breast cancer, colon cancer, and prostate cancer. Use it to cleanse your body. In addition to consuming it, using mango scrub on your body makes your skin softer and smoother. Mangoes can be mashed, then milk and honey can be added to create a paste. To acquire beautiful skin, give it a light massage, let it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off. Increases focus and memory. Eat a lot of mangoes if you have poor concentration and recall. They enhance your memory while also aiding in attention improvement. Mango, dietary information. 60 calories are present in 100 grams of mango. 1.4 grams of protein, 24.7 grams of carbs, 22.5 grams of sugar, and 2.6 grams of fiber are all included in this nutrient-dense fruit. Mango contains 67% of the recommended daily allowance of vitamin C. A good amount of copper, folate, thiamine, magnesium, niacin, potassium, and riboflavin are also present in it. Mango is regarded as a good source of vitamin C, folate, and copper. These substances support fetal growth while also boosting immunity and being beneficial throughout pregnancy. Contains a lot of iron. Mangoes have a high iron content, which makes them a natural treatment for anemia. Mangoes should also be consumed by women to boost their body's levels of calcium and iron. When and how much food to eat. Mangoes are unquestionably one of the best summertime foods because of their delicious, juicy flavor. The king of fruits can be eaten in many different ways and is the ideal substitute for processed treats to control your sugar cravings. However, given that mangoes frequently have high calorie and sugar contents, a cup of diced mangoes has roughly 100 calories, it is understandable why some diabetics are hesitant to eat this delectable treat. It should be mentioned that as this yellow fruit contains 90% of its calories as sugar, it could cause diabetics' blood sugar levels to surge. Mango, on the other hand, has a glycemic index of 51, making it a low GI meal. The GI index is used to gauge how foods affect blood sugar levels. It is also packed with fiber and antioxidants, both of which can help control your blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes and are wanting mangoes, it's crucial to exercise portion control and refrain from consuming a large quantity at once. Check your daily caloric needs, then begin with a tiny serving of mangoes to see how they affect your blood sugar levels. To determine how many mangoes you should eat each day in the proper proportion, it is crucial to speak with your doctor.